Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down how to create an epic pro-looking video podcast with AI.
Stick with us. You'll see how easy it is to go from idea to final masterpiece.
Alright fam, today we're getting into something fun. How to make your own podcast using AI without all the complicated tech headaches.
Yes, no need to buy fancy cameras or deal with editing nightmares. We're about to make it easy and creative.
Step number 1, we need to create characters that we're going to use in our podcast. And the tool that we're going to use is Design AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, once we are on design, the first thing is we want our characters to be consistent. If you already have characters, you're well and good. But if you're building characters from scratch, what you want to do is click on Consistent Characters. From here, this interface will open up. Now, if we already have characters, we can click on Choose a Character. And from there, we can select among the characters that we've created. And once our characters are selected, all we have to do is type in a prompt that describes the background of our character and every accessories needed. We can say the man and the woman seated in a podcast setting. From there, we need the output quality. Always go for the highest quality. From there, we need the aspect ratio. We'll go for 16:9 as the standard YouTube long form aspect ratio. Then on the advanced setting, if we have a seed number, we can just paste it there. Since we do not have a seed number, all we have to do is click create, and just like that, you have the image of your two characters generated in a podcast setting. I really love the details of my characters and how outstanding the quality is, except sometimes it generates the unwanted accessories. For example, this microphone stand, which we wouldn't want to be positioned like the way it is, and here it has generated more than one microphone pointing to one person, which we wouldn't want to see happen. They have a chart to edit, or the AI editor, which you can use to edit your video. For example, when we click on the chart to edit, we can describe exactly what we would love to edit on our image, or if we would love to add a specific text in the background, we can simply type that. For example, we can say add words dairy influencer on the wall behind, and it will simply do that. I'm not happy with the results, but this is AI. With a couple of generation, I believe I will get this one correctly. With the AI editor selected, here we can erase a number of things. By clicking on the eraser icon here, we can click on the brush too, and here we can just highlight everything that we wouldn't want to see and click on Generate Erase, and all the unwanted parts and elements will be erased. And you can save your image by clicking on the download button here. Now, if you want to build characters from scratch, what you have to do is repeat the same process by clicking on the consistent character. From here, select Build Your Character. If you do not see this option, you can click on Choose a Character, and you'll see this button that says Build Your Character. Just select it. From there, you have two options. The first option is the quick mode, where you just have to upload one single image to create your character in seconds, like seconds. Then the second option is the train mode, where you need to upload multiple images for the AI to deeply learn about your character. I highly recommend this one for high detail and consistency, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to click on quick mode. From there, you have two options as well. Either you start with a description or you upload one single image. Starting with description, just give your character a name and paste in the traits of your character, and you can also upload a reference face and click create. But for this tutorial's sake, we will start with one image. So here all we have to do is, number one, type in a name of our character. Let's say our character is Virginia, and here we need to upload an image of our character. Once the image is uploaded, all we do is click start building, and just like that, in less than 5 seconds, our character is ready. So all we have to do is close this tab, and we'll find our character written down here. Once we select it, we even see the name of our character. So you repeat the same process if you want to build a second character. You just click on quick mode and select start with one image, give a name to your character, say influencer, and drag or upload the image of your character, and just hit start building. In less than 2 seconds, your character will be ready. Now that we've built our characters, it's time to create an image of our character in a podcast setting. Just like I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial, just select, choose a character, diary, and when you see this plus icon, you can add up to 3 characters. So we'll go for influencer. So you'll see their names, diary and influencer written down. From there, all we have to do is paste in a prompt that describes the background and the entire setup of our image. Once we paste in our detailed prompt, we select the quality mode and we select the aspect ratio. From there, we hit create, and there will be our 2 characters in a podcast setting. Sometimes it struggles with the hands, more especially when they're put together. But if you see weird hands, all you have to do is specify that in your prompting. By doing so, you get high quality results. And once we are done generating our characters, it's time to lip sync them. But before we lip sync them, we need to generate some form of podcast. I'm not going to go much into details on this part, but what you can simply do is head over to ChatGPT. From there, you can ask ChatGPT to write a podcast script for 2 characters on a specific subject. This is an example of a podcast that it wrote for me. This is exactly what the man has to say. After that, this is what the lady has to say. From there, all I did was to convert this dialogue into an audio, and the 2 that I used was 11 Labs. All I did was, first of all, copy the first line of our first character, who is a male character, paste in our text. Here on our left, choose a voiceover. Take your time for this one. If you do not like any of the voices that 11 Lab has, you can simply clone your own voice. I selected this voice for my male character and generated the speech.
All right, fam. Today we're getting into something fun: how to make your own podcast using AI without all the complicated tech headaches.
If you love the way it sounds, which I loved how it sounded, you just click on the download button. From there, you go back to ChatGPT, you copy the next line of your second character, come back to 11 Labs and paste the line there. From there, you choose the second voice for your second character and hit generate.
Yes, no need to buy fancy cameras or deal with editing nightmares. We're about to make it easy and creative.
And if you like how it sounds as well, you download it into your PC. Once we have our audio ready, we go back to Design AI. So we select the image that we would love to lip sync and use for our podcast. From there, here at the bottom, we can see all these options. For now, we'll select lip sync. From there, it will detect the faces of our characters, as we can see here highlighted in blue. So what we simply have to do is, number 1, we need to select a character who is going to start or begin the podcast. So one thing we must take note of is that the character that we're going to select first will begin the podcast. If we want a male character to begin the podcast, we simply have to select that character first. For example, when we click on our character, we'll see it highlighted in yellow, meaning our male character will begin the podcast. From there, we select the female character. We can also mark the faces manually by clicking on the mark face manually, but in most cases, the AI does a great job. So what we want to do is click next. From there, it will bring us to this interface. When we observe carefully, the starting speaker is our male character and the following speaker is our female character. We cannot drag and swap them, so make sure you choose correctly. From here, what we simply have to do is click on pick a voice to upload a voice of our male character. We have the option to paste in the text and select the inbuilt voices from within Design AI. Since we've already generated our voice, we'll select upload audio and go to our downloads and upload the audio of our male character like that. Once uploaded, we select pick a voice for our female character. We select upload, we go to uploads and we drag and drop the audio file of our female character. And we see both of them here at the bottom. Now we need to drag the audio of our female character here at the end of the audio of our male character. And we'll just leave it to like overlap each other to get that cool, natural feeling in our podcast. From here, all we have to do is click confirm. Once we confirm, we'll see how everything has been arranged here on our left. I'll leave everything as they are and click generate. From there, it will take some time, but eventually generate the podcast for us. From there, all you have to do is review your animation, making sure your lips match the speech. Not only that, but make sure you watch out for glitches, a hand and finger movement to avoid those weird AI-generated fuzzy movements. And once that is done, export export in your preferred resolution, and begin posting these short conversations on any social media platform of your choice. That's how easy it is to create a lip sync animated video podcast using Design AI. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, may God richly bless you. See you in this next animated video. Thank you.